Guys, panoorin natin to. Ang dalawang bandang napakalupit. Ang bandang Mission Souls ng Cebu at ang bandang France Rhythm ng Bohol. Napakagaling ng mga banda nito.
Just like the wild wind sings a song, sounds like she's singing.
Swabe nung kanilang harmony dito, no? Sarap pakinggan nung kanilang boses. Pag nagsabay-sabay sila, kumanta.
Just like the wild wind sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. And the days go by like a strand in
Gusto ko yung ginagawa ni Nisha dito, yung palm mute sa gitara. Ang lupit niya mag-muting ng kwerdas.
the wind, in the way that is my own. I begin again. Said to my friend, baby, nothing else mattered. He was no more.
Ganda rin ang bassline ni Daddy Second dito, no? Napaka-solid ng tunog.
Well, he seemed broken-hearted, something within him.
Eto, plakado ni Naces to eh. Yung sa intro pa lang, kuwang-kuwa na. Yung sa original. Galing. Magaling talaga mga Cebuano pagdating sa music. Napaka-smooth, no? Nung kanilang harmony. Sarap pakinggan ng harmony nila ng banda Mission Souls.
I don't wanna talk about things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history.
Si Stacy hindi lang sa rock magaling eh. Pati sa mga classic love songs.
I've played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more ace to play.
Ang linis ng strumming niya dito ah. Lupit. Pati yung keyboard ni Naces, yung tunog. Swak na swak yung gitara at keyboard. Sarap pakinggan.
The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside the victory.
Taas ng boses.
That's a destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belong there.
Siyempre, kanina pa ba magmamana si Stacy guys? Kundi kay Mami Sheena na napakaganda rin ng boses. At mataas pa, di ba?
I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool.
Lupit nung ginagawa ni Daddy Second sa bass, no? Swak na swak dun sa palo ni Ice. Tunog disco. Yung kanilang tugtugan dito.
Playing by the rules, the gods made their own dice, their minds as cold as ice, and someone.
Ito, napakagandang kanta nito. Iconic.
You say I only hear what I want to.
Grabe. Grabe yun. Pasok pa lang ni Mami Sheena, talagang malupit na. Bagay na bagay sa kanya to, tong kanta na to.
And you say it sucks all the time. So
Pansinin nyo dito guys, ang hawak ni Nisha bass. Ang nagigitara dito, yung lead guitar nila si Daddy Second.
and I thought what I felt was simple. And I thought that I don't belong. And now that I am leaving, now I know that I did something wrong. 'Cause I missed you.
Basic na basic lang kay Nisha yung pagbe-bass. Hindi naman nakapagtaka kasi sa gitara nga parang Maning Manila sa kanya. Lalo pa tong bass.
Yeah, yeah, I missed you. You say I only hear what I want to.
Sarap pakinggan nung effects ng gitara ni Daddy Second, ano? Talagang plakado tong kanta na to.
Don't listen hard, don't pay attention to the distance that you're running to everyone, anywhere. I don't understand if you really care. I'm only hearing negative. No, 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 man. So
Galing talaga tumiming ni Ice sa drums. Ito na guys, ang bandang Franz Rhythm ng Bohol. Umpisa pa lang pasabog na yung kanilang harmony. Tatak Franz Rhythm.
Taking it easy and right, breezy, yeah. We are living it out just to find.
Panalo talaga tong boses ni Char, ano? Bagay na bagay rin sa kanya tong mga kanta ng The Course.
And the end. We are caught in a haze on this lazy summer day.
Napapaindak si Tatay Franz sa beat ng drums ni Dudes. Grabe yun. Ang lupit.
Spending all of the nights just laughing, kissing, yeah. And it really doesn't matter if we don't agree. No, it really doesn't matter.
Galing mag-second voice ni Master Chen, ano? Sok na sok yung boses nila ni Char.
We never sleep. No, it really doesn't matter. Really doesn't matter at all.
Mahusay din talaga mga taga-Bohol, guys. Talagang malupit din sila pagdating sa tugtugan, kantahan.
Son of a gun.
Eto ang linis ng tugtugan ng Franz Rhythm dito. Itong kanta na to.
You walked into the party like you were walking onto a yacht. You had strategically dipped below one eye. Your scarf it was up.
Napakalinaw din bumigkas ng lyrics ni Char. Dito rin ako believe kay Char pagdating sa pagkanta.
You watch yourself curve on, and all the girls dream that they'd be a partner, they'd be a partner, and you're so vain. You probably think
Ang lupit ni Char, ano? Talagang dalawa pa yung keyboard na gamit niya dito. Hindi siya nalilito na dalawa yung kanyang ginagamit na keyboard. Galing, napaka-talented talaga ni Char.
Song is about you. You're so vain. I bet you think this song is about you. Don't you? Don't you? You have me.
Dito acoustic yung gamit ni Char. Hindi siya nag-keyboard.
I lost my faith in everything. I couldn't believe in anything until I put my faith in you.
Dito ka rin bibilib kay Char eh. Talagang all around eh. Kahit gitara, keyboard, drums, bass guitar, pati sa vocals. Talagang pinakyaw lahat ng talento ni Char. Grabe. Nung nag-boost ng talento yata, sinapo niya lahat.
You see the sinners here crying to worship somebody all of the time, anytime. I will do anything for you. I found my
Ano masasabi nyo guys sa bandang France Rhythm guys? I-comment nyo lang inyong mga reaction sa ating comment section guys.
heaven right in believe in me forever. I believe in you, not just on Sunday.
Napaka-talented talaga ng mga taga Bohol, ano? Pati yung mga taga Cebu rin, syempre guys. Napaka-talented din nila pagdating sa music.
I love you. I fall to my knees every night. I pray since you come and save me for all eternity.
Sa tingin nyo guys, talented ba talaga ang mga taga Bohol at taga Cebu? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys sa ating comment section yung mga reaction nyo. Babasahin ko po yan isa-isa.
Name of the Father and the Son. You are my religion.
Ang astig ng boses talaga ni Char. Grabe, napakagaling ng dalawang bandan to.